welcome to Lead Within with Chika Sayoba. Today our focus is how to assist your children develop self-regulation skills. How to assist your children develop self-regulation skills. Your ability to self-regulate as an adult has roots even in your childhood. Learning how to self-regulate is an important skill that children should learn and learn early. Emotional maturity and later social connections will be based on their self-regulation skills. Children develop self-regulation through warm and responsive relationships with others, with their parents, and with their pals. Children also develop self-regulation by watching adults around them. So, self-regulation starts early as babies. It develops most in the toddler and in the preschool years, but it also keeps developing right into our adult years. Let's take this as an example. Babies might suck their fingers for comfort or look away from their caregivers if they need a break from attention or when they are even getting tired. There are three major crucial periods through which we can help our children build their self-regulation skills. The first is the sponge absorption period. Sponge absorption period, ages 0 to 7. Like a sponge, when you dip it into water, it takes everything. It absorbs everything. In ages 0 to 7, children absorb everything that comes from their significant others, especially their parents. Then the photocopier years, ages 8 to 12, the photocopier years. This is the period when children copy people, often their adults, their teachers, their parents. Then the butterfly period, ages 13 to 21. This is when they become socially active, influenced by people that they mingle with, influenced by friends, influenced by media, by technology, by music, and naturally they turn to such people because they want to seem more like those people. I therefore want to suggest how you can help them build such skills. Plan a daily schedule or routine. Plan a daily schedule or routine. Teach your children daily routines like waking up, brushing their teeth, showering, when to catch the school bus. You can guide them in the beginning as well, in between the schedule. But let them follow the routine by themselves. It's important because that will teach them self-regulation. Again, make your children engage in role play. Role play. Act something out. When you give them examples about how to act in different situations, it is better to go into a role play mode. Like, if a stranger approaches them or someone bullies them, how will they respond? Let them become aware of it early enough in their mind. Again, help them engage in environmental change of environment. You can kickstart self-regulation in your children by teaching them how they can adjust in stressful situations. For example, provide them a cushion or anything. Switch off the television. Anything that creates noise, dim the light. Change the atmosphere, the environment, to give them an example of what to do. Again, give them examples of how to give a firm reply even when you are angry and you are maintaining your cool. If parents and adults can learn how to give firm replies even when angry, children will model such actions and such activities. Another strategy, use games. Use games. Games like Candy Crush and so on. Teaches children perseverance. Any game that has the ability to teach them self-regulation, to persevere, to alter their moods, whether they are winning or losing. Any game that stimulates their brain and helps them into positive action is what you should help them to engage in at the right time. Remember, when they learn these skills early, it helps them in their adult life. Children learn more by what they see than what they are told. Therefore, as a parent, or a bigger brother or sister, even a teacher, model the action, model self-regulation for them, and they will definitely copy it to be the best that they will ever be. With self-regulation, your children can go places. With self-regulation, your children can maintain their own at any point in time where they find themselves. Teach them, and teach them early. I hope you will do that.